Love that story there, Josh. And you also have to really love this weather out here, too.
Well, you mean the weather out here? You're not on the deck with me, Gary.
That's true. I mean, I'm out there in spirit, okay? How about that?
All right, I'll go with that for now. We do have a lot of weather to get through here. The nice quiet weather this evening, potential for a couple severe storms in parts of the area tomorrow, and we got a nice stretch of weather coming up for next week. I think if you liked yesterday's weather and today's weather, you're going to like most of next week. Let's get over the maps, though. First off, the Syracuse Nationals, final day this year. Tomorrow at the fairgrounds, it's going to be kind of rainy, a bit stormy in the morning, anytime from 8 a.m. to about 2 p.m. So if you are going to go out, if you haven't been out yet this season, just be aware, have the rain gear with you. You'll need it. It's not going to be as hot as today, but it'll be more humid. You will feel that in the air along with some of the rain and a few storms. All right, severe weather potential here for Sunday. It's not a high risk. It's not zero, it's marginal. Syracuse area out to the east, the Mohawk Valley, southeast, south, southwest, and the green shading. On the key here, marginal risk. Anytime tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m., but probably more like noon, 1, 2 o'clock or so, right around lunchtime, midday, the height of that time range. So the main threats and impacts will be some damaging wind gusts, maybe a little bit of flash flooding, a little bit of hail. Very low, almost negligible chances for a tornado, for some spins. So that's some good news there. Again, not a high threat, but I want to make mention a couple more details about the severe weather threat tomorrow. Again, the best time right here, noon, 1, 2 o'clock, but there could be some storms before noon that may not necessarily be severe, but still some thunder and some downpours. Where? I mentioned those locations like City of Syracuse, Utica, Rome, Cazenovia, Cortland, and Ithaca. And lastly, the threat for the damaging wind gusts, probably the top of the list, and there could be a couple trees that might get knocked down, maybe some outages with the power. And this is not everywhere, and not all of you are going to be guaranteed some storms, but the threat is there. The ingredients are on the table. It's up to Mother Nature tomorrow to put them together if it's going to happen in our area. 85 right now at the airport in Syracuse, 70s for Cortland and Hamilton as well as Fulton, 84 Rome, 82 right now in Ithaca, but not a lot of humidity, just a little bit more than we had yesterday, almost no humidity really. Triple Doppler sponsored by Falls Service Experts. You can see in the visible satellite picture some puffy clouds and some mid-level cirrus clouds at times too. All right, Mother Nature has ordered a warm front, cold front combo. Warm front comes through tonight, ushering in warmer, more humid air. So if you loved last night's 50s, I was loving it. Not tonight. Tonight's going to be more of a tropical Floridian type night with higher levels of humidity. You're going to have to turn the air back on and close up the windows if you already haven't done so. Futurecast, hour by hour, overnight lows, upper 60s, low 70s. Maybe as early as 3, 4 in the morning, some rain, some thunder could come through. Not severe yet. Cold front getting closer and closer. Between about 8 a.m., here's noon. Yeah, some storms bubbling up anywhere in our area, especially Syracuse southwest, south, southeast. A little flare up around 1 p.m. Any one of these storms you see here could be strong, severe. Kind of pulling down some high winds aloft to the surface and allowing for a couple of those damaging wind gusts to occur and more dry air coming in by dinner time tomorrow. Your forecast looks like this. Lows tonight, anywhere from upper 60s to low 70s. Tomorrow, trying to get to 80. May not do it everywhere. Best time for rainstorms between, say, 8 a.m. and 2 p.m. Then it dries out and clears out. Monday, like yesterday's weather, mid-70s sunny. 78 nice on Tuesday, 84 nice on Wednesday. And then again, hot, near 90 on Thursday with a chance for some strong storms behind that. Right now, early call next weekend, lower humidity, still warm in the 80s, Gary.
Thank you, John.